Hi guys, it's me, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood at makinig sa isa na namang performance ng paborito nating pamilyang bandang, Franz Rhythm. At dahil na-miss ko ito, tara na guys, panoorin natin ang performance ng Franz Rhythm. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na ina-upload natin. At eto nga, ang papanoorin natin ay ang performance ng Franz Rhythm sa awiting Island on the Stream by Bee Gees. Let's go! Nice one, Franz.
I set out to get you with a fire. It's come out something inside.
Swabe talaga, Master Franz. Galing din, lalaro lang yan, no?
You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. At the beat of my heart, we did something go.
Grabe, swabe talaga ang smooth.
The love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We're right together, making love with each other.
Nice.
Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing if you got no one. Did you walk in the night, slow losing sight of the real thing?
Sarap talaga pakinggan sa tenga ng boss ni Master Franz.
That would happen to us if we got
Si
no
Char,
one.
saka si Cheng, grabe.
Deep in love we get no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year for a real thing. No more will you cry, baby, I will hurt you never. We start and as one in love forever. We can ride together, making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. We rely on each other. From one lover to another.
Maklase talaga ang pamilyang Franz Rhythm. Pinagkahandaan talaga nila yung mga performance ng mga video na natin. Sarap sa tenga, ang ganda.
Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, when we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
Yay! Woo! Nice one, Franz Rhythm.
Thank you.
Grabe talaga ang pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm. Diyos ko naman. Every performance nila talaga nga namang merong pasabog. At kitang-kita na talaga nga naman nag-e-enjoy sila sa kanilang ginagawa. Grabe. Saludo talaga kami sa inyong bonding ng inyong pamilya. Talaga naman pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm, pamilya ng mga musikero. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo ng mga ganitong content, huwag niyo kakalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.